and on all of our minds. Can Florida lawmakers save, or even begin to save, the state's crumbling property insurance market from collapse?
That is the goal this week as members do return to the Capitol now for this special session. WPTV News Channel 5's Megan McRoberts caught up with our local lawmakers to gauge whether they feel this session will bring solutions.
Well, this is the second special session this year lawmakers have held to address property insurance concerns. This bill is expected to pass with ease through this Republican majority legislature, but Democratic senators I spoke with today say they don't think homeowners will see any fast relief.
It's the first day of a special session in the State House and Senate.
The House will come to order
To try to bring much needed property insurance relief to Florida homeowners.
It is one of the main issues that we're hearing right and left.
They may not be able to stay in their houses because of the property insurance increases.
The insurance crisis, a combo of rates going up on average more than 30% and insurance companies dropping out of Florida's market or limiting the number of policies.
So few insurers who are willing to write property insurance in the state of Florida right now.
As a result, policies for the state's insurer of last resort, Citizens, growing from about 750,000 to 1.2 million.
The whole state is at risk when we have so many policies under Citizens.
Lawmakers this week will consider a bill that in part would require Citizens insurance policyholders to take private insurance if they're offered a rate within 20% of Citizens' rate. The bill would also add measures to keep insurers in the state, like committing $1 billion taxpayer dollars for reinsurance, which is like insurance for insurance providers. Representative Toby Overdorf supports the bill.
If there is a major disaster, that in fact those insurance companies have the funds, have the revenue to be able to pay out their claim.
It would also add more protections for insurance companies from so-called frivolous lawsuits. Overdorf says it would no longer require insurance companies to pay attorney's fees for losing cases.
You would have just the Wild West and everybody knows, hey, the insurance company is going to pay for it, so it's no big deal.
Senator Tina Polsky opposes that change for insurers.
The insurance companies that pay up, they're not seeing litigation rise.
Senator Lori Berman says she has many more questions before she'd support the bill.
I'm not convinced that it's really helping lower the cost for homeowners, which is really the goal of this session.
Don't think it's certainly not going to give any immediate relief. The question is whether there might be relief down the line.
But Overdorf feels this bill is a step in the right direction.
You may not see it next week, but you will likely see it in first quarter, second quarter, and certainly before hurricane season for next year.
Now, a couple of items both sides do agree on in this bill, requiring Citizens policy insurance holders to get flood insurance and also requiring insurance companies to respond to your claims faster. I'm Megan McRoberts, WPTV News Channel 5.
Lawmakers this special session also expected to pass a property tax break for homeowners displaced at least 30 days from their homes because of hurricanes. They're looking at toll discounts for regular commuters as well. Now, in dollars and cents, this is where Florida stacks up. Look at that number. Insurance.com puts the average homeowner's insurance cost in Florida. That's just the average at more than $4,200 a year. Nationally, the average is far, far less, just more than $2,400 a year. The outlook for 2023 only adds to the concerns. You've heard it there. Forbes is expecting inflation and extreme weather to spike cost again next year.